Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to pass Google AI Checker and rank your page even if you're using ChatGPT. As we all know, ChatGPT is a powerful language model developed by OpenAI and it's becoming increasingly popular as a tool for creating high quality content for websites. However, if you are not careful, your site could get penalized by Google for low quality content. The first step in passing Google AI Checker is to understand what it is and what it's actually looking for. AI Checker is not just looking for content that is generated by ChatGPT, but rather content that is low quality and appears to be machine generated. So consider you want to write a blog about VPN and I've asked ChatGPT to write a content. So if I copy and paste this, I am sure that Google will not rank this because this is a machine generated content and they will be able to figure it out. So let's go and check. So there are websites which can help you. The best one is originality.ai. It's a paid version, but I'm going to use this free AI detector. Uh, so you can see that it is telling me that it's obvious AI and it's 100% fake. So how are we going to resolve this issue? So there is another tool called QuillBot where we can paraphrase this. So you can upgrade to premium version, but I'm going to use free version where I'm going to use the mode as standard and I'm going to use synonyms and convert this. So let's paraphrase this now. Once the paraphrasing is done, we can copy this content and try to check in our AI detector. We can see that now it's like 97% human content and 3% is fake. So guys, use ChatGPT responsibly. Always paraphrase, double check your content when using in your website, optimize your site with the proper keywords and regularly monitor your site performance from getting penalized from Google if you're using any AI content.
If you found this tutorial helpful and informative, please give it a like and consider subscribing to my channel. If you have any suggestions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.